and welcome to SuperTrak Conveyance's Ask the Expert How-To series. My name is Simon Drexler, and I'm the General Manager of the SuperTrak team. Today, we're going to talk about how to select the proper conveyance platform for your automation application. I'm a huge believer that motion is the foundation of effective system and process design. And regardless of what type of part motion you're talking about, people, fork trucks, conveyance, it's absolutely critical to the system design because it touches every process. And it's the only thing that really exists in the system that you can say that about. So selecting the right one and right platform is absolutely critical to what you're doing. And so the first question that you really need to ask yourself is, do you need anything more than something to move from part A to part B? If you need a lot of flexibility in that, you might move from part A to B, C, D, or Z. Or you need to do something along the journey. That's where different pieces or different motion components start to become more attractive in the overall system design. Inside of the SuperTrak team, we talk a lot about active motion. And if you want to actually use the part motion as part of the process itself, that informs a certain type of conveyance and system design and a different interaction with the components inside of that system. If active motion is a consideration for the system design, you'll likely want to look at the smart conveyance options inside of the piece of automation that you're designing, because the independent shuttle control that it offers opens up different options as you define and design the system. And so some examples of that is oftentimes in complex pieces of automation, you want to move through and vary the number of parts that you're working on at any given time, because it's rare that process stations line up exactly from a cycle time or a functionality perspective. You might have a vision station that is 1 up and a robot station that might be 3 or 4 up because of the flexibility of the 6-axis robot. You might want to use the motion of the shuttle to more effectively or more quickly apply adhesive. You might want to use 2 shuttles and the active motion of them to work together on the workpiece. There's a number of examples where we can use part motion to make the process itself more effective. And at the end of the day, that drives a more efficient piece of automation where you're generally driving more parts out of less space or more parts out of less investment in equipment. If you'd like to learn more about smart conveyance, active motion, and the SuperTrak platform and how that would apply to the correct selection of a conveyance platform for your application, you can visit our website, supertrakconveyance.com. You'll see a go, no-go guide there, as well as a number of other resources that can help to educate you on how to choose the right conveyance platform. Thank you for joining us today.